YouTube! Hello strangers! We are back! R6 Monkey's back! He's out on the bike and he couldn't be happier. Yee fucking ha! Ah! What a great feeling this is. The last a lot of you would have seen me would have been the Basic Bikers live stream. I will post a link to the video sort of somewhere about there. But prior to that, it was a long time ago. Many folk maybe thought me gone from the world of motovlogging. And you would be a wee bit wrong there, because here I am, I'm back. Any that have maybe ventured into the world of Twitch may have found me there. That's sort of what I've been up to. I'll post a wee link in the description if you fancy some video game stuff. I have been live streaming on Twitch. But, oh, I've missed this. Feels good. It's good. So the plan today was just come out, get a feel for the bike again, just enjoy it. Obviously I'll maybe not be coming back this way. By the looks of the traffic, I'll find a new way home. But here we are, guys. We are at the road alongside Loch Lomond. The weather is glorious. Fucking blue skies. Scenery. And what more could you ask for? Lucille is behaving like an absolute gem. You know, not that I had any doubts, but she'd been tucked away in the shed for a wee while, just probably feeling neglected, and I thought she'd have maybe went in a huff. But she was just as happy to get out as I was. Look at the views. Fan-fucking-tastic. But yes, the plan today was just to get out for a wee local run around, not to go too far. And before you know it, I ended up at Loch Lomond. How the fuck that happened is beyond me. I just twisted the throttle and I was here. I didn't even pick a direction or any idea where I was going. I just ended up here. And why not? Because where else would you want to be? Certainly not sitting in a big tin box in that traffic, that's for sure. Oh, this is why we do it, guys, isn't it? This is why we get the bikes. We go on two wheels and we fuck off. Because it's a damn sight better than sitting in that. So yes, the weather over the last couple of days has been fantastic. I have been busy out in the garden. I was building some decking area and putting my hot tub in and doing in front of my shed, and it is officially finished, so it is time for some me time. You know, bank holiday Monday, I opted to come out a little later, which by the looks of the traffic going this way was a good idea, because if I'd went out earlier I'd probably been heading home that way. Trying to filter my way through the traffic, so I would. Ah, she still sounds good. There's fucking Marty McFly! He's no got much chance of hitting 88 mile an hour in this traffic, that's for sure. Otherwise he'd probably go back to like fucking half an hour ago and go a different way. I'm now hoping to get out a bit more regular, hoping to get some chippy runs done with the basic bikers. We'll just take this opportunity to get by them. There's no greater feeling than a nice sweeping bend, is there? I apologise if there is excess of wind noise. Just I need the ventilation in this helmet. Rather warm today. Not that I'm complaining, I never complain about the warm. We will just roll it back down to a nice decibel level. Otherwise we'll be up on the back bumpers of the cars in front of us in no time. So yes, as I was saying, I'm hoping to get in some chippy runs with the basic bikers and some runs that they put on, because they're really taking off. There's a good crowd showing up. I just, because I'd been off the bike for so long with stuff that'd been happening, I just wanted to get out myself for a wee bit, just don't ask me why I put my hand up to cover my fucking mouth when I'm coughing in a helmet. I have no explanation for it just happens. Yes, I just wanted to get out and, you know, grease the joints a wee bit. Get a feel for it all again before actually going out on group rides. Because you know what it's like, sometimes you feel as though you're pushed on a wee bit when you're with a crowd, and I just wanted to get a feel for everything again. So here I am on my lonesome and loving life. But it's true what they say, It's like riding a bike, you never forget. After that first couple of corners or roundabouts or whatever you come across, you just fall back into it, don't you? All just comes naturally. So I will probably avoid the rest of my Thankful because that's still got a contraflow system on it just now, and I probably won't go around as far as Inverary. I'll maybe just head up to the Welly, turn about and head back the Calendar Road. We'll see how we go. So we'll head up the Lochside. Again, another beautiful road. It was like when they designed these roads and they thought, we're going to have shitloads of bikers out here, so let's make them nice. Let's make them the sort of roads that the bikers like. And they did. Just look at that. This is definitely the sort of road to blow the cobwebs off. And the thing being as well is you don't even need to be pushing it to the limit to enjoy these roads. Just so nice and peaceful. It's just the way that one corner just seems to link onto another. Stunning. The only words I can use for that is absolutely stunning. Right guys, well I'm going to leave you here just now and I'm going to enjoy the ride. I will be back. Don't worry, I'm not disappearing anytime soon. Don't know why I had two anytimes there. How many anytimes do you need? Anytime? But as I've always said, guys, ride safe, keep our shiny side up. Till next time, bye.